holes in the bright active regions on the left. Focus goes southern hemisphere incoming as a solar flare in small CME erupted this morning. One satellite read M-class and the other stopped at C9. Either way, it was a near M-class solar flare event that produced a faint and sparse CME. We do expect that to arrive at Earth about 12 to 24 hours after the impact of the coronal hole stream here. In fact, it may even merge with it. Sunday to Monday night is when we should expect amplifications in the solar wind, but they should be relatively minor. The sunspot situation looks pretty impressive, and then you remember it was the southern tiny group that fired that flare in CME this morning, not the north. We will of course be watching for sympathetic eruptions up top today, and as we can see with the bright arching magnetic fields in 171 angstroms, there appears to be more incoming just from behind the limb to join its friends on the Earth-facing longitudes. Let's have a bit of a...
That will inevitably be called politics, and I will inevitably insist it is not politics. It's the New World Order and things that are intimately related to everything we discuss. Thank you for helping us, Mr. President, understand the Uranus cycle we have discussed and exactly what the New World Order has to do with this, as we've heard from so many leaders in the past, with a resurgence during the COVID lockdowns and restrictions, all the discussion in Australia and Europe of a New World Order. Again, thank you, Mr. President.
You know, we are at an inflection point, I believe, in the world economy. Not just the world economy, in the world. It occurs every 3 or 4 generations.
I don't know how many times we've mentioned the approximately 80-year populism and upheaval cycle that may or may not have an energetic cause in Uranus, but which does coincidentally match its cycle on the dot. The American Revolution, the Civil War, World War II, and now. We will not get through this without major global conflict, and that's part of the plan. This isn't politics, this is them using cosmic knowledge to game a situation against us.
60 million people died between 1900 and 1946. And since then we established a liberal world order, and now is the time when things are shifting. There's going to be a new world order out there, and we've got to lead it. We've got to unite the rest of the free world.